Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to make a troubleshooting, so a solution for some failure of your magic remote MR22GN. This is a magic remote, and that's one of the best remotes I ever used on a television so far. It's from LG, and you see you can make a movement choosing of a cursor in front of you, but sometimes there will be fail functions because it's electronic components inside, it's chip and so on, it's a little computer inside. And if there is a problem, the first step of course is replace the batteries. If this gives not a solution for you, you can register or reset, but it's a soft reset, your remote, by using two buttons. That is the power button, that means the main button here. This is the home button over there, and here the setup button. If you press and hold the home and the Q settings buttons for more than 5 seconds, we can disconnect and then we register the magic remote to the same unit like before. This is the first troubleshooting if you have some failure with your remote. So that means the home button and this setup button, keep pushing it for 5 seconds. After the 5 seconds, you will see an information on the screen. And here we are, the screen information comes. Now we move our magic remote and let it point to the television. And after a few seconds, we are back in business. And now it should work better, of course. This is the first troubleshooting thing, what you can choose to make a solution for your failure of your magic remote. Oh yeah, this is how to disconnect and re-register the magic remote at the same time for your television. Push and hold the home button and the Q setup for 5 seconds, point the remote to the television, and then you will be back in business. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you on my channel. Soon.